Gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, recall that a Rivers State High Court on January 13, 2025 sacked the Atiku-led purported State Executive Committee of the People's Democratic Party, PDP Rivers State Chapter, alongside the Ward and the Local Government Committee of the party. The congresses that produced Atiku and others held in contravention of a High Court order that barred the party from conducting congresses in the state until such a time as the substantive issue before the court were resolved. Flowing from the above, the original State Executive Committee of the party, who served out their tenure sometimes in June, July 2024, in a well-publicized press conference held on the 25th January 2025, has taken over the leadership of the party in acting capacity. The State Executive Committee, being led by my humble self, High Chief Naira, as acting chairman, and Dr. Phil Nkov as acting secretary alongside others. We are glad to inform you that the copy of the judgment that sacked Atiku and Co. has been duly transmitted to the National Secretariat of our great party. And our presumption is that as the acting State and Local Government Executive Committee and the acting positions of my humble self and others, including those of the Local Government Acting Chairman, has been transmitted to the National Secretariat of the party accordingly. In very recent development, the security agencies, being aware of our position to take back the Secretariat of our great party today, in the quest to maintain peace, has advised that we share the process as they are currently on ground at the party secretariat to prevent possible breakdown of law and order. Gentlemen of the press, it is on this note and in line with the peaceful disposition of the leader of our great party in the state, His Excellency Sir Dr. Siminala Efobara, GSS-RS, to issues of this nature, which has earned him several accolades, that we have resolved to allow good reasoning prevail and call on the plan to take over the party secretariat today. We are also appealing to our teaming supporters and party faithfuls across the state to remain calm as we are taking necessary steps to take possession of our party secretariat. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, under our new leadership, we shall immediately commence steps towards healing and rebuilding our once great party that was battered, hope lost across the state, 23 LGA and 319 electoral wards. We shall make PDP Rivers State Chapter great again. To achieve the above, we shall consult with all critical stakeholders of the party, unite members and work with them to restore the already lost hope. We shall embark on sensitization tour across the 23 LGA, embark on membership drive to boost the population of the party for future elections. We shall also, in the next few days, set up a disciplinary committee to deal with issues of anti-party activities, especially during the 2023 general elections and beyond, and every other activities by party members that is capable of bringing the party to disrepute. Those that are found wanting shall be disciplined appropriately, including but not limited to suspension, sacking, and sanctions that are known to the party constitution. The party is free. We shall uphold the supremacy of the party. We shall implement the manifesto, the party manifesto, and the party constitution. We shall work with the national leadership of our great party, which include all the organs, the National Executive Committee, NEC, the National Working Committee, NWC, the Board of Trustees, BOT, the Nigeria Governors Forum, and all known and established organs of the party at the various levels, as well as all critical stakeholders of the party in the state and across the country. This way, we can assure and reassure Nigerians that PDP is the only viable alternative to the APC, who have in the past 9 years made life extremely difficult for Nigerian citizens. Insecurity on the high side, infrastructure deficit, unequal exchange rate, high cost of petroleum products, etc. Finally, we call on the national leadership of our great party to fully restore the leadership of the party in the state to His Excellency, Sir Dr. Siminalayi Fubara, DSS, Arrest, Executive Governor of Rivers State, as it is the convention in our party. We also call on the national leadership of the party to work with the new leadership of the party at the state, LGA, and ward levels. This way, they can be rest assured of the continued existence, survival, and growth of the party in the state. On our part, we shall uphold the party constitution, respect and carry out all lawful directives from the national body and the leader of the party in the state. We finally wish to thank the good people of Rivers State and all our supporters for their continued support and well wishes in this our collective victory, while pledging our loyalty to the leader of our party at the state, the Executive Governor, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, and the People's Democratic Party. We are proud of our party, the People's Democratic Party. We shall continue to be proud of our party. We hold our party to a high esteem, and we shall continue to do so. Anything that will make us, anybody, at any point, anywhere, any forum, that will bring the party to disrepute, we shall resist it. Thank you, and God bless you all. Very much for the question. Ordinarily, we are supposed to be at the party secretary this morning to take over the reins of powers. But you know the situation in the state. The police intervened and advised that we shelve the idea at least for today. They have taken over the premises of the party secretary. The police is there as we speak to ensure that there is no breakdown of law and order. We are law-abiding citizens. In the state today, under the leadership of our governor, we are enjoying peace. There is no way we can go the extra mile of making sure that there is breakdown of law and order. We have adhered to the advice of the police, and we have decided to share the idea of taking over the party secretariat, at least for today. From tomorrow, we may likely take over the party secretariat. The party belongs to us. The structure is the party structure. It doesn't belong to an individual. So our operations, our activities will take place at the party secretariat. But because the police advised that we share the idea today, that is why we have decided not to go to the party secretariat today.
Thank you.
I think that's you can take your picture while they are all secret. Hold on.